With new Goodyear RepelMax technology, you can now apply water-beating protection to your windshield without the need for extra chemicals or steps. This water repellency feature can be found on the RepelMax versions of the Goodyear High Beam, Clear Fit, and Premium Style wiper blades for the perfect fit. In this video, you will learn how to apply RepelMax technology to your windshield using your new Goodyear water-repelling wiper blades. Step 1. Clean the vehicle's windshield with automotive glass cleaner and dry thoroughly prior to application. Step 2. Install your new Goodyear RepelMax technology wiper blades to your vehicle's wiper arm and make sure that the yellow protector has been removed. Step 3. To apply RepelMax technology to your windshield, run your new windshield wipers dry on the medium speed setting for 4 minutes. Step 4. Spray washer fluid to the windshield and allow the wiper blades to dry the windshield. RepelMax technology should now give you maximum visibility and clear results. Thank you for choosing Goodyear Wiper Blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.